What's good? I'm Shani. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. It is back at it again with another video. And hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you my honest review on the 2 weeks ab workout by Chloe Ting. So you know whether you're gonna get abs in 2 weeks or not, but you probably know that by looking at the thumbnail. Come on, you know these things. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've got notes. Okay, I've got notes galore on my phone, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. So you guys, I started Chloe Ting. I believe I am one of the few people who discovered Chloe Ting during quarantine. Howdy for those who have always known Chloe, okay? Some of us didn't know her, and she kind of just popped up in my mentions. Not mentions, my suggestions, okay? YouTube suggested her workouts to me because I was at a point where I was just looking for home workouts, and I was doing a bit of workouts. So around the first 2 weeks of lockdown, I was doing some workout app, some home workout app, and I wasn't finding it appealing. I kind of found it boring and just a drag. So I saw Chloe's videos and I was like, hey, these look pretty good. My boyfriend wasn't sold because he's like, why are you exercising with someone who is skinny? You need to find someone with your body type. And I'm like, I've seen the reviews, I've seen a lot of videos, a lot of people give high praise to Chloe, and I just wanted to try it out myself, and I must say I am impressed. I'm impressed. Chloe, sis, you did it. Anyway, so obviously throughout this video I'll be showing you my progress. I am currently doing the 15-day intense core challenge. I actually cut my 28-day challenge I think in week 3. So I think when I'm done with the 15-day core challenge, I'm gonna go back and restart my 28-day challenge. Just to show you, her workouts are free. Here is her website. All her workout programs are free. I will just link the playlist for the 2-week app program down in the description box below, so if you want to check it out, you can do that. So okay, so first things first, right? Let me put my phone on silent. Okay, secondly, the one thing that I noticed with the workouts is they're actually very effective. For workouts that are short, they are so effective. Okay, so I documented my progress throughout. I'm not going to be doing a little day 1, day 2 montage. No, we're not going to do that. Okay, we're going to be making this video too long, so we're not going to do that. What I am going to show you is kind of like when I started. There's this video. I look like I'm dying. I look like I'm generally struggling. And what I liked about Chloe's workouts as well is you can take advantage of the low impact variations. Trust me, if you are a beginner or you haven't worked out in a while, the low impact variations are your best friend. I did them the most because if you do not know, I'm actually asthmatic. Like, I actually take medication for asthma. Like, I take pills for asthma and I have pumps. So working out can be a little strenuous for me. Like, exercise can induce an asthma attack or my symptoms. So I took advantage of the low variations because also the 2-week program does not have a warm-up routine as opposed to the 28-day challenge and the intense core challenge. Like, there's no warm-up routine, so sometimes my lungs will be shocked, like you just jumped into it. Sis, give us time, we need to settle in, okay? So yeah, if you do have a warm-up routine, you can also check out her warm-up routine. You can do that, or you can just do your own warm-up routine before you jump straight into it, because trust me, your body is going to be shook. Okay, so as I started doing the program, I noticed that my form was getting better and I could hold most of the workouts for a bit longer. Like for instance, I could not hold a normal plank for more than 10 seconds. Like I just couldn't. Like my core was like, what is happening? Okay, I did not have a strong core. As much as I have not achieved six-pack abs, I did achieve a stronger core, and yes, it does show in my tummy that is a bit flatter. So that's the one thing. Another thing is I love her workouts because they motivated me to actually continue doing the other programs. You know, a lot of people did the 2 weeks challenge and they were like, okay, I've got a flat tummy, and they left. I actually went on her website. She's got gang programs depending on your body goals, whether you want to build a booty, whether you want toned arms, whether you want an hourglass figure. She literally has workout programs for everything, for all your body goals, okay? And listen, I have seen a lot of people give the most, like the best reviews ever with regards to Chloe. She's got a really large following and she really deserves it because her workouts are free, her recipes are free. There is literally no excuse. And yeah, I do think that even after quarantine, I will continue doing Chloe's workouts. Because if you don't know, I have been a gym fanatic for long. I have done yoga. I do a lot of strength training, resistance training, weight training. I'm mainly a weight girl, but I think the results I have received with just Chloe's programs actually trump all the weight training that I've done in my entire life. And they don't take forever, okay? That's the one thing I love about her workouts, is that they are literally like 10 minutes, okay? At most you can get like 15 minutes, but a lot of the workouts that were in the 2-week shred program, was it the 2-week shred? 2-week ab shred, something like that. A lot of the workouts that were in that program were like around 10 minutes or, you know, 15 minutes at the most. And she would include around 3 to 4 workouts for the day, which literally usually puts you at around 30 to like 45 minutes, and that's it. You're done, okay? You don't have to be working out the entire day. That's something that I also loved about her programs. I know some people just elected to do the 2-week ab challenge, just the abs, but I do feel like incorporating all her other workouts, which are the arms, the backs. She also has an everyday hit workout that you can do, and I think that one is around 15 minutes. It is intense. It is intense, trust me. There's a lot of jumping in there as well, so you know, she does show the low impact variation. Listen, I lost weight doing the low impact variation, so I don't know what your excuse is, okay? You telling me you don't have 20 minutes in your day to do a workout? Sis, are you waiting for the gyms to open? I'm not gonna wait. I was like, I am going to get the core that I've desired for all this time, okay? So okay, so another thing I would note is her workouts were effective even though I didn't do any sort of special diet. Honestly, I didn't change how I eat. I would call myself an intuitive eater, if that makes sense. Intuitive eating. First and foremost, I'm someone who has been off dairy for a very, very long time. So I cut it out because dairy kind of makes me break out really bad, especially if I have it a lot. So I'm someone who hasn't been consuming dairy for a while. I haven't had wors or sausages in forever, and we know wors and sausages are high in saturated fat, but I love sausage. I honestly love food. By the way, check out my food page. Here's the name right there. And yeah, I love food. Also, when I create content for my food page, I tend to have a lot of food, and you know, sometimes it's tempting to eat it, but I didn't change how I eat. I just didn't change how I eat. The only thing is that throughout my entire life, obviously working out and all that stuff, I have learned how to have decent portions of food, especially food that are high in carbohydrates. For instance, the average South African diet is protein, starch, and some form of gravy. So you know, whether it's pap, whether it's rice, whether it's mashed potatoes, and then you have a protein, like that's it. We don't usually incorporate a lot of vegetables in what we eat, but I'm someone who's always liked eating like vegetables, green beans, stir fry and all that stuff, so I incorporate that. But I also love rice, and I eat rice like nobody's business. Okay, so I will make rice, I will make myself a chicken stew, and that's it, we're done, we eat. So I did change, especially considering that this is where I started, okay, and this is where I am right now. I would say more or less this is where I am right now. I like the fact that even though like when I am like, my tummy used to poke out a lot when I'm sitting, and it used to poke out a lot on my jeans. It still does now. Like, I still have a bit of a roll at the bottom, you know, that fupa that everyone has. But the one thing that I love about this is when my tummy is relaxed, it still looks a bit more flatter, which is something I'm so happy about. So wait, let me show you guys. So this is my body right now currently. As you can see, this was my biggest part, which was the bra bulge, which she also has a workout on that. And for now, like, the indent is not as deep, which I like. So this is my tummy relaxed. Okay, let me take my pants down so you can see better, because black is slimming. So this is my tummy relaxed. Is it flat? No, it's not. I think my abs are somewhere in there. It's not flat, but it's also not, you know, like it used to, like, I don't know, I'm even pushing my belly out because I can't extend it anymore, but I can a little bit. So this is me extending it like completely, but this is me normally relaxed and all that, and this is me sucking it in. As you can see, it does get a bit more flatter. So I love the fact that this is where my body is at right now, and I am so happy with my results, like including with my back situation. I am literally happy. So yeah, that's it. Here's the front view. I am getting a little bit of that 11-11 line, which I'm not like, it's there, but I don't want to dwell on it forever. So yeah, I really do think that Chloe helped me achieve literally the abs of my dreams. But this is me while doing these. So yeah, that's me. Like right now, currently I am doing the core challenge, like I said, and I have done 3 weeks of the 28-day challenge, which I'm going to go back to, because I feel like the 28-day challenge was the one that pushed me to the max. The other thing that I found, I would say, kind of helpful for me is I started using this sweat belt. It's the Heart Shaper sweat belt. It's not like a corset or anything like that. It's literally just neoprene material, just to like help you sweat in the midsection. I know a lot of people have debunked sweat belts. I don't care. I feel like they help with the water weight, but also you can drink water and all that stuff. And I am a lot less bloated. Like honestly, I've seen results. I'm a lot less bloated. I was always an insomniac, so I sleep better, which has always been a plus with me. And I think you should really try out this challenge. If anything, do the 2 weeks abs challenge and see where you get. I feel like the 2 weeks abs challenge was a starting point for me, and right now I'm at a point where I'm like, nobody's workouts matter, only Chloe's workouts matter. I am, you know, still anxious to go back to the gym and go back to weights. I don't think I'll ever stop weight training, but I feel like I've found the best hit workouts on Chloe's channel, and I will be incorporating those into my normal training routine even when we get out of this lockdown, honestly. And I think also finding, like, she has videos where she explains, you know, her food struggles and why she bloats a lot. She has found what makes her bloat. Personally, I know that whenever I eat a lot of high sodium food, which I love, like knickknacks, I bloat a lot. I love salt. I love salt and vinegar. Like I said, I don't understand food that does not have salt. Sometimes I even salt my food after cooking it because it just makes sense that way. And salt is like my #1 bloat problem. But I really love how my stomach looks right now, and I'm going to continue. I will not do her booty growth workout because I have booty. What I can do is the toning. So guys, if you have heard of Chloe and if you have tried her workouts, you know, let me know in the comment section down below. How was your experience? Do you enjoy her workout programs and all that stuff? If you haven't, sis, sir, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? She's the plug. You need to go there right now. Trust me. If you can just do hashtag Chloe Ting challenge on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, anyway, you are going to see a lot of people giving high praise. And I feel like the proof is in the pudding. I've already given you proof. Here's my before and after. Like, what more do you need? Okay, I lost a lot of belly fat and I am happy with where my body is right now. Listen, when the world opens up again, I will be at the beach sipping on, you know, non-alcoholic mimosas. That's orange juice. I'll be at the beach sipping on some good stuff, showing off my body. Even if I do not get to a point where I have six-pack abs, I feel like I'm at a good point right now where I would be comfortable in a swimsuit. Honestly, I would be. So I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the workout program and if this is something you would be interested in trying out. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Deuces. Okay, I'm being silly. Bye guys.